Nandal in Germany, and welcome back to my channel Food, Places, Poetry and Creativity. And today we have come here in Shona to see this world's largest cuckoo clock, and it was made in 1990 to 1994, and it took 4 years, and it was made by two people. You can see their names, Joseph and Dor, and Shonak is the village. So you saw the cuckoo clock. It comes out every half an hour. It looks amazing, friends. The mechanism is on first floor, and the cuckoo is on second story. So it is a two-story house. And it really looks beautiful. We saw inside, we went inside, and we met the daughter-in-law of the person who made it, and she explained the working of the cuckoo clock, and it was great, really great. And it has entered Guinness Book of World Record, and so you can see it's very popular, and so many people come to see this. It's really amazing, and people really wait for half an hour to see the cuckoo come out. And it looks really amazing, friends, and you can see it is in middle of the Black Forest. So it's surrounded by beautiful nature. The Black Forest looks amazing. You can see the greenery, the beautiful flowers blooming in the summer, and really we had great time. And so we went to Triberg, and after that we came here, and it just took us like 5 to 10 minutes, I think, not more than that. And we sat here for a good half an hour. It was so refreshing. Really very amazing place to be. I mean, you don't feel like going back. It's beautiful nature and the innovation. See, friends, looks really great. So I'll surely, as promised, like this one, I'll come again with another interesting place. Hey friends, hey Sahil. So in front of the world's largest cuckoo clock, so I say happy birthday to you, Sahil. May God bless you. So like the cuckoo of this clock, may you have the musical moments throughout your life. So happy birthday once again, 25th birthday. So we missed you, and see you soon. Love you so much, friends. Love you, Sahil. So hey friends, so we are still on move. So this Black Forest is really amazing. So as we come across the interesting places, we'll surely I'll surely show you the places, and it's really amazing. So after this we are planning to go to a park nearby, and then we'll have ice cream. Yeah, our throat is really dry because we were roaming like anything. It was great to, this Black Forest is really amazing, friends. You must visit. It's so beautiful. Love you so much. See you. Bye bye.